In the old days, people used to communicate in different ways. Messengers used to carry letters to far-away lands, often crossing rivers and going through forests. In some communities, certain messages were passed by sounding of drums. Other communities sent messages by blowing of horns. The Department of Defense in the USA realized that they had mainly two problems to solve. That is, to share research among military, industry, and university sources, and to provide diversified system for sustaining communication among military units in the event of nuclear attack. Given that Internet is a network, it can be used by various categories of people, including educational institutions, commerce, non-profit making organizations. And therefore, it is important in the following ways. A lot of information is available on the net on virtually any topic. Information can be easily updated. It allows people to telecommute. This means that people can work from home using internet facilities like email and keep in touch cheaply and quickly with friends and relatives. It is convenient for many common activities like booking flights and checking bank balance. How do computers communicate to each other? They must be connected to one another through bounded or unbounded media. In order to connect to the internet, one needs a number of things. Internet connectivity. Telecommunication facilities such as modems, short for modulator-demodulator, which converts a digital bit stream into an analog signal, suitable for transmission over some analog communication channel and back into digital signals. Companies that offer services to end users are known as service providers. There are a number of examples of services offered by the Internet: electronic mail, www, e-commerce, among others. Electronic mail or email. This refers to the use of computers in sending and receiving messages, that is, text, sound, video, and graphics. There are a number of examples of services offered by the Internet: electronic mail, www, e-commerce, among others. Electronic mail or email. This refers to the use of computers in sending and receiving messages. That in order to connect a network to the Internet, the local area network needs an Internet server. This server is given the name World Wide Web, www, and has all the information that others on the Internet access. E-commerce refers to the process of buying, selling, marketing, and servicing of products and services over computer networks. Electronic learning or e-learning. This is learning through interaction with special programs using the computer. That is, a program written to facilitate learning. Search engines. Search engines are internet-based software that locates the addresses of specific websites and stores them in a database. It allows the user to locate the websites faster. We are going to use Google as an example in this lesson. You log in or sign in to make a computer system or network recognize you so that you can begin a computer session on the Internet. Browsing refers to moving through different web pages with a view to obtaining desired information on the net. This is an element in an electronic document that links to another place in the same document or to an entirely different document. After searching and finding information on the net, one may need to transfer it to a remote computer. The process of transferring the information is called downloading. One needs to be careful when saving from the internet. Ensure that the application package used while saving is available in the remote computer. Printing. This is a communication software that are designed to help the user to read and send individual text documents on the internet so long as the sender and the receiver have an email address. The following are email facilities offered to a visitor. Mail checking. Signing into one's email address in order to read mails. Mail composing. This is the process of writing new mail in order to send it. Mail forwarding. Sending received mail to another recipient. Mail sending. This is the process of dispatching mail to a recipient. This is the process of sending or receiving pictures and text over a telephone line using a fax machine. Fax machines work by digitizing an image, dividing it into a grid of dots. Each dot is either on or off depending on whether it is black or white. Electronically, each dot is represented by a bit that has a value of either 0, off, or 1, on. In this way, the fax machine translates a picture into a series of zeros and ones called a bitmap that can be transmitted like normal computer data. On the receiving side, a fax machine reads the incoming data, translates the zeros and ones back into dots, and reprints the picture. This is two-way communication using electronic media, for example, chatting, group texting, and blogging. In video conferencing, cameras are used so that live pictures of people involved can be seen. The following are the cross-cutting issues that negatively impact on our socio-economic and cultural aspects of our daily lives if not controlled: HIV and AIDS, drug abuse, environmental issues, and moral integrity.